addition and subtraction. Examples. Simplify 3 root 20 plus root 45 minus 8 root 5. Solution. Now we have 3 root 20 plus root 45 minus 8 root 5. Now we have 3 root 20. Looking at the first term here, we have 20 inside. But don't forget that 20 contains a perfect square. And what is the highest perfect square number you can see in 20? That is 4. So we are going to write this as square root of 4 times 5 plus, now we have root 45. What is the highest perfect square number we can have in 45? That is 9. So we can write this as 9 times 5. 5 here is a non-perfect square, while the highest perfect square number in 45 is 9. And for this, there is no other perfect square number except 1 that we can see in 5. So 5 itself is not a perfect square, so this remains the same. So simplifying further, what are we having? By applying the law of surd, we can now write this as what? This is same thing as root 4 into bracket root 5. Now plus, what do we have here? This is like root 9 into bracket root 5. Then we have this to be 8 root 5. Now, this is 3 into bracket, well, what is square root of 4? That is 2. Why this remain the same? Plus, now, square root of 9, we have 3. 3 root 5. Then minus 8 root 5. Now, simplifying further, we can multiply this together. 3 times 2, that is 6. So we have 6 root 5 from here. Then plus 3 plus, that is 3 root 5 minus 8 root 5. Now, we can see, looking at the 3 terms, they have the same number inside the square root, which is 5, 5, 5. Hence, we can add and subtract all the terms together. How do we do that? We are going to add and subtract their coefficient. Then we put one of the root 5 at the back. That is, this is same thing as 6 plus 3, then minus 8. And we put root 5 at the back. Now, in this case, what are we having? 6 plus 3, that is what? 9. Then 9 minus 8 is what? 1. So this is 1 root 5. And 1 root 5 is the same thing as root 5. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.